Okay, so we have wired up the electronics to the RepRap down at UCL here, and we've connected the Gen 6 board, and we have a wee custom power lead here that we plug to a Dell adapter, which goes up to our power source on the board, which is here. You can see nice little green lights, and we have a USB cable connected to Windows version of Rep Snapper, so that we can interactively control the motors. And so hopefully when I hit the home all button, we have the X axis going home and stopping at the opto flag, and then the Y board going back, and then now the Z. So the Z axis will now come back down, and we can see in the corner here, actually the bars are moving, and slowly but surely, Z axis being the slowest one of the lot, it's coming down and making some humming noises, which means we, in theory, have a working RepRap that's being controlled by the computer, which is absolutely fantastic. What we've found is we've had to play around, before we put the Molex connectors onto the board, we had to play around with the polarities in the motor, but once we had the polarities done right, we were good to go. And as I say, we were waiting for it to meet up with the opto flag in the middle here, so you should see that it's coming down ever so gently, never so slowly. But it's very quiet. For one thing, it's very quiet when the motors are actually running. And there it meets there. And there we go. It's homed all its axes. So there's a working RepRap. So let's see if we can play with the X axis. So let's send the X axis into the middle of the board, which is about there, and we can then bring it back to its home location, and similarly with the, we can do the same with the Y board. Pretty cool, hey? Oops. So this is Steve down at UCL with the working RepRap, signing off.